Hey guys, we're doing an out-of-box review on the Dewalt 12-inch battery operated chainsaw. Now, the only reason I got this was because I got a truck and I want to trim some trees up way in the air, and I got a big steel chainsaw and I don't want to deal with the weight. This thing's pretty lightweight. Like I said, this one here is DCC S620 model. Little guy. We'll try it out. Don't forget to put oil in. Okay, so we got a few overgrown trees here. We're just going to try to hack them off here. Like butter. It is definitely different than I guessed. Yeah, I'd say it works. Oh yeah. Be good for camping. Definitely works. Go hack on a little bit more here. Okay, we're gonna try a little bit bigger stuff. Definitely some. Yeah, it definitely took longer to get through that. But it's electric. I like it for the small jobs. One hand you can run it. Okay, all in all, it's a really neat little saw. It's going to be great in top the bucket trucks. Here's your chain tension, release, loosen her up, loosen the bar up. There's your oil level, add your oil there. It is quite something. The brake up here looks like that. Won't let you, it's just a switch. And then if you double pull it real quick, it'll lock it out. Do it again. As you can see there, we're getting a little oil all over, but cool little saw. It's fairly lightweight too. Should throw it on the scale. Thanks for watching, everyone.